Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is another promising project. This is a social project, you understand? Beoble. So here is it. Click I'll be leaving this link on this video description now, you understand? So when you click on the link you get started. So here is it. They say Beoble invites only beta launch is finally here. You can register it from, so I'll be leaving this link on this video description. And the most interesting part that is this project will be launching on the BNB chain. The BNB chain actually made a tweet about them, guys. So I said the chat solution for Web3 people backed by this their CEO. You understand? You can navigate through when you follow them. You go through all this handle. Understand, guys? The reason why he's not making wave on Twitter is because they are not paying for sponsors. They are not paying for They are not paying those influencers to influence it. So it's just like it's actually like they are not making noise. So remember that something that will pay you will not stress you. So you can see BNB chain. They made this tweet. You see that? So just listen attentively and make sure that you see this video to the end, guys. Don't rush. It's more about talking than showing. Understand? So listen attentively. I'm going to explain everything to you. So here is it now. So when you click on this link now, it's going to take you to their website. Let me show you. So guys, when you click on the link here, this interface will show up. Do you see that? And then all you have to do now is to click on launch app. Do you get? Click here now. So when we click on it, it will redirect us. Please give this video a thumbs up, share this video so that others can also benefit from it. If you have not subscribed, here in this channel we talk about how to make money online through cryptocurrency without spending a dime. So stay tuned, scroll down to my channel. There are other important videos that you're also going to benefit from. It's actually loading. So I also believe in my Telegram channel on this video description. So if you have any question, you can drop them. I'm going to attend to that. So guys, when you click on launch app, this interface now will show up. You understand? So you click on connect wallet, then you choose the wallet you want to connect. Make sure that your wallet is ready. You understand? Use a burner wallet. Use a wallet that it doesn't have an asset on. Empty wallet, no one. You understand? So guys, you can connect your MetaMask wallet. You understand? So I'm trying to connect my wallet. Oh no, I'm trying to connect my Bitkey, but if it doesn't go, I'll use my MetaMask. So it's better to use your MetaMask wallet. No ways, just use your MetaMask. So guys, I'm going to use my MetaMask. Click on it. So if you're having difficulty, if you're finding it difficult, try to use your Chrome. You understand? If you're using Mesos browser and you're having issue, try to use your Chrome browser. Understand? So you allow it when you click on it, it will bring it to your MetaMask. You allow it to pop up. You understand? It will bring up that, then you connect your wallet. So that is just it. So I'm going to click on verify wallet. Understand? And then see, this site can't ask for your permission. Close any bubble or see, try again. It's actually verifying. So I'll go back to my wallet and sign in. Go back here. Do you see that? So you verify yourself. So automatically now it will say retrieve account. So I'm trying to see. So make sure that you see this video to the end. So guys, once you sign in your wallet successfully, it will bring up this interface. You see enter your invitation code. We are an invite only beta. Sign up for our wait list if you don't have a code. You understand? So invite code can be only set once and cannot be modified. So I'll be leaving the invite code on this video description. You understand? So try to watch this video and see it to the end. So I'll be leaving the link. Check the link. I'll be leaving the link on this video description. If you didn't see it, you check comment section. I'll also be leaving the invite code on the video description, you understand? And if you are seeing this video on TikTok, you can see the link. Check out the link on my YouTube channel, you understand? So guys, the invite code is just like a wallet, you understand? So I'm leaving it on this video description. So when you paste it, it will bring out the person's name like this now. Do you understand? This interface now. So it will show up like this. So all you have to do now is to click on next. You can see next below. You understand? You click on next. So when you click on next, this interface will show up. It will say choose a PFP. Don't worry, you can edit it later. You understand? Like you just like upload image, that kind of a thing. You set up your wallet. So I'm going to upload an image now. To upload an image, you can see something. You can actually see it there. So I'm going to click on it now. So after uploading your image, you click on next. Do you see that? So you click on it. It will say claim your handle. This doubles as your user ID. You understand? Your handle bubble. I'm going to like input my username, my nickname. Handle can only contain small letters, numbers, and underscores. Okay. So here we go. So after that, now it says available. I'm going to click on next. Let me just add more. Yeah, so I'm actually going to click on next now. It's actually loading. So it will say welcome to Beoble. You see that? So join chat room. You are now eligible for the cat token airdrop. Endpoint by joining chat room. You understand? This one you are not posting on X. You are not risking your X account, your Twitter account. That's why I say that you are early. If you are once you see this video now, jump on this and get started. Do you understand? So and to say you are now eligible for the cat token airdrop. Endpoint by joining chat room and contributing to conversation. So that is for level 1. So we click which city are you in. You can actually see I'm going to enter Lagos, and then you understand I will look for more city, see Port Harcourt. You can choose a close by, you understand? Any search, you can choose your city, you understand? The city you are in. Guys, this is a game changer. So for now I might just stick to that Lagos, and then I'm going to click on I might not like I'll click on next. Yes, for now. So you say join your language chat room. I will choose English. Yes. Do you understand? So I'll click on next. So here is it. You see inbox, transaction, unread message, new chat. That is it. So let's just navigate through the app, guys. So this one you are not risking your X account. So this game, inbox, unread, transaction. Let's just see on transaction. You say you created the group. Okay. Here, okay, automatically this is my group now. So I believe in if once you join, once you register, I'll add you to my group where we can actually have some cool conversation. If you have question, you ask. That way we interact and earn our points. You understand? Can you see how this one is now? Like you are not paying for gas fee, no, to log into the app. Like it's just like simple as that. You understand? So let's just navigate through the app. Let's just go to profile. Let's see my portfolio. Here's my portfolio. Following. You understand? This is just like a social app, NFT token. So guys, once you see this video now, and jump in. You understand? You are early. The reason why I'm saying this is that once it goes viral now, like I don't know if you understand. I don't know when they will be taking their snapshot, so it's better you get in early. So when you click after the when you click on this sorry about that. When you click on this, it will bring you to this interface where it will show you how to earn points. You understand? You see collection guide, chat room engagement, claim all chat room earning, 10 0 S. Okay. You see daily tasks you can do to collect cards, daily giveaway, claim free cards here every day. So I've claimed that one. You see, send 30 messages, then you claim this. Follow one account, then you claim this. React to 15 messages from others. Super react to one message from others. Daily GM. Do you understand what I mean? So let's just do it now. So we go back to chat, we enter to general. Let's just go to Lagos and then see what's happening there. Okay. Let's see what they are actually talking about. Okay, here is it. I might just click on this. Okay, you can send points. I'm not yet to send points. Actually, I want to give understand? So, let's see on how to give now, guys. I don't know how to give well, let's just follow one person so that we can claim our points. So when you register, you can actually follow me. Okay, see reaction. Okay, here is it. To give this is that I've just give now. On how to do that, when you click and hold the message, this see reaction will show up. You just click on that. You understand? You can actually click on love then. You understand? So guys, that is it. So if you are seeing this video, you are early. Understand? So I'm going to go back here again now, and let's see if we can claim our points. Okay, we claim follow one account, react to 15 messages from others. Okay, I'm actually going to do that later. I don't want this video to be long, so automatically I've gotten 20 points. So I'm believing to get your invite code. This is settings. Copy my invite code. You have 5 invites left. So guys, so it means I have 5 invites. So immediately you see this video now, you click on it. Join my Telegram channel. I'll try as possible to gather up points. You understand? I'll try as possible to gather up invite code. And when you register, join my Telegram channel. When you register, you drop your invite code on the comment section. I have a group, I have a channel, and I also have a group chat. So register and drop your invite code on the group chat so that people can also use yours. Then you drop yours. When you register, you can actually see that one person can only invite 5 persons. So guys, take this thing serious. See daily weekly tasks to collect cards. Invite code, you have 5 invites left. So reward center, edit profile, notification, token granted. So you already know where to get your invite code. You understand? At the setting. So guys, that'll be all for now. If there is any other thing, join my Telegram channel. If there is any other thing, I'll notify you guys. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you soon.